Hi everyone, my name is Hui Hui. I am a dietetics student in Framingham State University. I always grab an energy bar after exercising because I don't have time to make snacks. But there are so many brands and flavors out there, it's so confusing. So, today we are going to analyze some popular brands, energy bars from different perspectives. I'll focus on nutrition values. I got 5 types of energy bars from the same supermarket. I love chocolate, so I pick chocolate flavors for all of them. So we have those 5 types of bars. And prices for those are very similar, around $1. The kind bar is a little bit more expensive. It is $1.59. And when I put all the bars together to compare the packages, the regular Clif bar is definitely my favorite because it looks nice and it has the largest net weight. With similar prices, and for this Clif bar, which is only 99 cents, it's definitely more affordable. And since they all have nutrition facts on the back, we're going to take a closer look at those numbers. Before we start, I just want to mention a few things from the dietary guidelines for Americans. For 2,000 calories diet, there should be less than 10% saturated fat. I actually calculated all the 10% saturated fat for those bars. So I used their total calorie times 10% and then divided by 9 because 1 gram of fat provides 9 calories. And then you should eat less than 50 grams of sugar throughout your whole day. So let's start. The first one we're gonna compare would be the Clif Bar Nut Butter Filled Clif Bar. It's actually a new flavor. It has 230 calories, 2 grams of saturated fat, which is okay because it's 10% saturated fat for this one will be 2.6 grams. And then they have 10 grams of sugar, 7 grams of proteins, 150 milligram of potassium. And then for the regular Clif Bar, 254 calories, 1.5 grams for saturated fat is fine because it's allowed 2.8 grams of saturated fat. But when we look at the sugar, it's actually really high. It has 21 grams of sugar. When you are allowed only 50 grams of sugar for the whole day, you do not want half of them spent on this tiny little energy bar. So we're gonna put it aside and see if we have better options. Next one will be Luna Bar. This one has 180 calories, 2.5 grams of saturated fat, which raises a red flag there because according to my calculation, it should be less than 2 grams of saturated fat. So we're gonna put it aside too. Alright, next one, Lara Bar. It has 200 calories and 2 grams of saturated fat, which is fine because it's allowed 2.2 grams of saturated fat in this. And then again, sugar, they have 23 grams of sugar, which is again a lot, so we'll put it aside. Last but not least, we have the Kind Bar, which is 200 calories, 2 grams of saturated fat, 3.5 grams of saturated fat, which is obviously a lot because it's only allowed 2.2 grams of saturated fat according to my calculation. So after all these comparisons, there's only one bar left, so we're gonna do a further comparison with a really easy to make snack, which is 1 medium-sized banana with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I used the Super Tracker, so basically those two equals to 200 calories, 2 grams of saturated fat. It's okay because it's allowed 2.3 grams of saturated fat. And then the sugar is a little bit high, it's 16 grams. But remember, bananas are also packed with fibers. And then the sugars in here actually works different from all the added sugars from the bars. And then it provides 5 grams of protein and then 547 milligrams of potassium, which is almost a lot more than in this Nut Butter Filled Clif Bar. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and next time we're looking for snacks after exercising, I want you to pay more attention to the food labels, or maybe just pack a banana and some peanut butter to go. Thank you for listening.